Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is real. This is real. Oh my goodness. Cryptogrounds in real. There's no way. Come on, where is my... There it is. Let's do... my... most favorite thing to do ever. Ping everyone. Uh-oh. 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 Who DM... Oh. Okay, it's time to find some tunes. Will I get copyrighted for severely obscure ambient music? I don't really know. I don't really care. Or, okay. It's either ambient or dungeon synth. I think dungeon synth is kind of based, so. Now I just gotta figure out the right volume. Ew, it's crypto. I know. It's a shame. Okay, let me know how the volume is. Oh, I gotta turn it on first. How's the volume compared to my voice? This is kind of loud for me though. Actually, this is fine. No. This is fine. How's the music? Is it too loud or too quiet? Oh, I'm gonna turn on my camera too. Hold up. Oh boy, don't watch. Oh boy. That is huge. One moment, please. That is huge. What the heck? Play game. Give me a sec. You'll see me play game in a sec. Just let me fix this. What? Why is this so big? Can we like... What the... Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. This one's not broken. Oh my goodness. It's me and real. It's finally me. You're gonna leave because no gameplay? Wow, you are so impatient, dude. Holy cow. Holy smokes. Okay. It's gaming time. So, what's this little project I'm working on right now? I am working on a thing where I can change this UI scale, and this scroll rect here will expand and reach to the bottom. However, it's not doing that unless I move this twice. And I'm trying to experiment why this isn't happening. And from this testing, this little testing phase of mine, I have found it's because of this navigation height, which is used in the scroll height. So if we go to our navigation script, it is found right here. So for some reason, this height of this rect is not updating properly. So now I gotta go Google some random stuff and hopefully get an answer. All right, let's see what Unity. Let's see what Google gives me. Okay, Unity. Why is GameObject.rect not updating height? Can't you activate the scroll twice through code? That's literally what I did. You see? I updated this navigation thing twice. So, well, I mean, I could probably spam this a million times and I guarantee it's not going to work. But calling this twice will work somehow. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Army? Good, I'm learning from you for when I buy a camera and do face reveal. Oh yeah, the emoji. Ew, okay. Creeper, I'm surprised you haven't said why can't you just do this all through code and stuff? Like, why can't you like make your own game objects from scratch like me? No. Okay. So this is figured it out. I'll add it here. Okay, this dungeon Sith is kind of loud for me. What happens if I mute my volume? Will it? Let's see. Hold on. Oh. I don't even think you guys can hear it at this point. Okay. If it gets too loud, just let me know. Just spam me. Why can't you just do it all in Scratch? SMH bad programmer. Okay, Creeper. Over the summer, I think I'm gonna try to make my own game engine, like, or something from scratch. No Unity, none of that shit. Cause stuff that you make is kind of interesting. I kind of want to like see if I can figure the UI stuff out, because that's what's really like bothering me the most about coding in other languages and stuff, is like not having like UI, you know, like Unity. UI provides all this really easy UI stuff that I can manage, but creating from scratch seems really hard. I recommend using a coroutine, waiting for the end of frame. Just a note as blah 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 blah. Okay. Sure, I guess I'll try this coroutine thingy. What's CSLO? CSLO. Private enumerator. Wait for update. Is it yield return? I don't. Yeah. Enumerators are weird. Wait for seconds. Is it just seconds? Wait for end of frame. I did not know that was a thing. Okay, and then we're gonna update our navigation. We're gonna do start coroutine and assign it to wait for update. Yeah. Will this work? It better. Unity's UI really sucks. It's the name of the binary. I could send the repo link. It's on NuGet. Okay. Make your own game from scratch, from your own game engine, from scratch, from your own programming language, from scratch, from your own entire computer from scratch. I also have to make the compiler and all that from scratch. I got to do all the painful stuff from scratch. I got to make all the circuits and everything from scratch. I got to make everything from scratch. Okay, will this work? Let's go! It works. Good. Okay, so now I know I need to use coroutines for updating UI, UI stuff, because I guess it just breaks. Okay, so we have this coroutine fella here, and then it updates. Yeah. So I don't even know if I need this here, but I'm gonna keep it anyways. So this notification thing, okay, so that actually tackles two problems, or two problems. So one, it was that not expanding. Two, another problem which to temporarily solve that was to add a notification which auto removes itself after 5 seconds, and when it does, it fixes the scroll size thingy here, which I was trying to solve. So doing this fixes that, but doing this also creates another problem, which I kind of wanted to do, was to set up notifications where they would just kind of build up from the side and just cover up the other UI, and you can just spam click them instead of having this entire interface here just pull down here. Let me provide an example here. Let me just export, copy, paste, import. See, there's this notification, it just pushes everything down. I kind of don't like it. It doesn't look good at all, and when there's multiple notifications, it kind of just stacks on top of each other, and if there's a lot of them at the same time, they all just disappear at once because they all have that 5-second timer. So I just think that's kind of weird. So now I can do that. And what that means is I can go back to navigation and get rid of this notification height thing. So I can just get rid of that altogether. Don't even need to worry about it. And then I'm going to do that UI thing, which is a pretty basic vertical layout. Yeah, C# is pretty cool. Python is also interesting. It's just really slow. I have to code in Python for my university design project. I have to use it for my Raspberry Pi, and everything is in Python when it comes to messing with the pins and making circuits and using sensors and stuff. So yeah, it's fun, except for the fact it's for a really bad class that I don't like. Should I put the feedback dump file in IR feedback or set it to suggestions only? I would just keep it in this group chat that I made, honestly. Here's my DMs with RM. Yeah, just keep it in here. Yeah. Yep. That's what I heard. My roommate has to use an Arduino for his design project, I believe. Or maybe it's computer science. I'm not really sure. It's one of those. And he has to code in C or C++. I believe it's either C or C++. It's either one. Okay. Anyways, back focus. So what am I going to work on now? I'm going to make that notification system thingy. So that means I can get rid of this. So I don't want this to move up and down, so I can get rid of that. Push this on top of it. Okay, so notifications, it's going to stretch from top to bottom, so I'm just going to copy this component. Copy. Actually, no, I got to copy this entire component. Paste it. There we go. Now it's the size of this. I'm going to move it down so it goes past this little version thingy. And then there's the original one. Oh god, what is this? Oh, all of them do that. Sweet. Okay, well I don't want that to happen, so watch ad. Oh goodness. This is awkward. How tall do I want these to be? 100? I think that's fine. Maybe 75 or 100. Sure, that's good. How could you forget about the man himself? Okay, so now what's gonna happen here is that I'm gonna make a vertical layout, and then I'm going to uncheck this child force expand, and any notification will just build on top of it. Now I think these are kind of big, in my opinion, so maybe I'll make these a little smaller. Maybe I'll make these two smaller, at least 50. These can be smaller. Oh my goodness, watch ad. Oh no, oh no. Thank you, Army. Hope you have a great one. And I will keep you updated with the update and stuff. Hopefully it'll be done soon. Okay, so I honestly really do not like these notifications. They look terrible, but I will fix these at some point. It's just not my priority. I should turn on the dev is live and see. Okay, hold up. Before I continue speaking, let's see how many people are playing Crypto Clickers. I guarantee none right now because the game is so bad. $13 people? What the heck is this? What is this spike? Anyone know? Congrats on me unlocking crafting. Let's go. Okay, these can be smaller. How are 22 people playing this right now? I don't... Or, well, how is the peak 22? I haven't said a single thing about this game. I just let it die. Also, you can see that it has a wonderful mixed 64% positive reviews on this. Let's go. That is so good. I think these are gonna be 75. That looks good. I'll fix these ugly looking ones at some point. So now, if we were to go play, if we were to change this, everything works smoothly, perfect, except I don't, oh, keybinds, that's not here. Hold up. That's awkward. Ooh, sorry. Got the hiccups. So every version is in the double digits and it's driving me insane. Nice. That's kind of cool how it's getting attention though. Like you haven't even like made a post about it, like on Reddit, unless you have or something. I guess somehow people just find it. So yeah, this auto expands when you click that. That's neat. The drop downs. I need to add an arrow to determine that these are actually drop downs because that's gonna be kind of confusing for some people. Creeper, you see it's me that's downloading it. I'm just downloading it every hour. I'm gonna be the only one who's downloading it. Okay, so notifications. So let's export, copy, paste, import. Oh, that's so much better. Let's see now. Will they disappear? Oh, nice. Perfect. Sweet. Okay, so notifications are good. Maybe for notifications. Yep, that is done. I still need to redo main menu. Let's do that real quick while I'm at it. I was gonna fix the tutorial, but actually, you know what? Let's fix the tutorial because apparently the arrows are really messed up somehow. Remember the guy that stole your videos and we had to like fight him over it in the comments and he kept deleting them and then we finally gaslit him enough for him to delete it. Also, why are keybinds here now? Oh, okay. What's up, A? What's the emoji? Is that free? I can't read that. It's just a pixel. Free A. I see. I wonder who. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now tutorial. So let's just restart this guy. Oh, those were the times. Okay, welcome to Idle Research, the shittiest game you've ever played. This game is about doing absolutely nothing and earning energy because of it. There's a lot more of it, but for now I'm going to guide you through the most basic and boring parts of the game. Well, yeah, me too, Creeper. I mean, I haven't recorded a video in months. And I have 6,000 subscribers. I also don't stream because not a lot of people watch them, so I just don't have the motivation to. You should play IUM on stream. Okay, send it over. I can run it in the background. Alright, so we start off with 50 energy. That's correct. Alright, so now let's just check all of these. Oh, great. Okay, so we gotta yell at... Hold on. Okay, so we gotta fix that. The arrows are very annoying. You have two dedicated people watching right now. Thank you for watching, besties. I just feel like nobody gets notified for watching because 6,000 people is a lot. And I know I can see how many people have notifications on, and it's about 300-400. Also, the concurrent viewers thing is probably wrong. So there's 4 people. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. I'm removing your mod. Just kidding. I'll put it back. Yeah, I kind of want to put you in timeout though, because you just said OMG hi. Gosh, you're such a child. Where's Sawyer? He's at home. He's not here right now, which is why I have this going. Yeah, I'm gonna ban him. Hey Riley, do you like my high quality choice of background music? Can you even hear it? Let's play Conifexion instead. I love Dungeons. Let's play Thulian Mysteries instead. Thulian Mysteries, here we come. I know how to spell, and it still shows up. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Should we listen to this? I think we should. Okay. Who the bleep? Okay. Here we find out. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. It's both. Discord when it freezes every time I alt tab. Okay. Anyways, fixing this arrow here because it is kind of annoying. We have to go to our tutorial script. I have so many scripts, it's so hard to navigate. Also, I saw green. Where's the green? Start researching, click on the purple button on the left. Okay, next. We have to go down here and mess with this terrible... Ah, I remember, I got rid of it. Ah, okay. So now we need to add if data tutorial is equal to 4. If it's equal to 4, okay, so if it's equal to 4 and we're not currently at the research screen, then we're gonna yell at the player because he is not where he's supposed to be. Alrighty. So then we pretty much just copy all of this. Bug. Hey you, send some funny message to this guy. Hey you, go to research real quick. Like right now. Okay, let's see. You ain't sent a message in 1 year. How am I supposed to remember you? Were you the Among Us PFP guy? I think so. I think. I think he had that for like a really short amount of time. Maybe like a week. Unless that's someone else on the server. I don't really remember. Oh, okay, so then no. Some settings to consider. Monospace. Everyone's gonna love my game because I ask to mute the sound or the music right when they load in the game, and it's already muted. People are gonna love that. Okay, so hey, you go to research like right now. I literally am, bro. I literally am. Okay, well this is wrong. So we're currently at tutorial 4 and the research is not active. Okay, so it's one of these. Oh, I see what I did wrong. We're using an OR. We gotta see if we're not there and if it's tutorial equals 4. Okay. Coding is so much fun. Literally do it. Make my shit game better. Literally do it. I would be so against it like a year or two ago, because I was so defensive over my crappy ass projects, but now I just don't care. Okay, I actually had this thought in the middle of the night. I don't know if I said anything, but in this chat, did I say anything? No. Okay. So physics 1, we are currently, let me turn this off because this is very important, I guess. But basically, physics 1 right now, we are going over impulse and momentum theorem. And that made me realize that this game makes absolutely no fucking sense. Impulse, pulse shooter, what does that even mean? That literally doesn't make sense at all. So my thought was that I somehow, or at some point in the future, once I'm done with this auto research, this big boy here, once I finish that, I go back to this shitty game, or maybe like remake it or something. Because right now on the Google Play Store, it has a very low rating. Let me actually pull it up. I believe it's like a 2.5 star. It is very bad. And let me scroll up too. It has a rating of 2.72. And then Crypto Clicker's kind of falling behind, 3.7. And then we also have Compacto at 4.5. I don't know how, even though I think that game is worse than Crypto Clickers, but you know, whatever. So yeah, there's that. Hold up. It's a bit loud in the halls. Okay. Oh yeah, so here's my redesigned UI. It doesn't look too bad. But yeah, so there's pulse shooter and then impulse, which doesn't make any sense. What the fuck? That literally makes no sense. So I would somehow remake this game and make it related to physics, which impulse and momentum kind of tie hand in hand. Yeah, so I would do that and make this game actually make sense. Oh. Who put this up there? Who did that? Has that been there this entire time? Ugh. Okay, who actually changed this? I don't... it's also lower than this now. It's at a 2.7. Hey, what's up, Brody? Why am I using the worst chair you have? Because, you see, we have the standard university chairs, the suicide prevention chairs, and this is literally standard, I believe. And this is the only chair I have. Well, I mean, I have this one, but this is my roommate's. I don't want to... I'm not going to use it. And I forgot my gaming chair. And yeah, that's also really squeaky. And I'm going to be honest, these chairs are actually pretty comfortable. And you can lean back in them too pretty easily. It's actually... If I had to rate this chair, I would give it an A+. It's actually a pretty good chair. Like, I can just lean back and, you know... Yeah, I can just lean back. It's actually pretty comfortable, while most chairs, I guess, in class, they have like the 4 legs. You can't really lean back, while these you actually can. So also, it's very loud in the hall. I'm curious what's going on. Okay, let's see. So we have this. If we go to settings, it should yell at us. Yep, good. Hey, you, go to research real quick, like right now. Okay, so that's good. I forgot to test the arrow. No, it's not coming out in 5 hours. I wish. Okay, anyways, back to the amazing music called Dungeonson. A chair tier list. I'm sure those exist. The best office chair tier list. Oh boy. Oh no, not these. Count. Oh, okay. They're forgetting one special chair that could go in the God section. You're forgetting about freaking Talking Ben. How could you miss Talking Ben? Like, look at his chair. Look at this. This is clearly S tier. This is actually God tier. This chair is God tier. They completely forgot that this exists. Also, yeah, these are goated too. Okay, why am I looking at fucking chairs? Okay, so what was I gonna test again? I literally forgot. Check snap. So thanks for the picture. Okay, so oh yeah, I wanted to check the UI scale. Okay, good. Okay, so that works. Oh boy, time to read an entire script. Okay, we can see we have some colors here. You can see it has RGBA. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have some vectors. It's a 2D vector. Okay. Alright, we have some labels. We have some text. Why does it have this dot? I've never seen this syntax before. Unless labels like system dot blah blah blah. I assume that's what that is. I assume it's labels a namespace. Okay. Or class or something. Okay. Neat. Classes, okay. Figured. Yes, auto stay on prestige now because automation is awesome and people love automation. So I'm not going to get rid of that because that would be a pain in the ass. All right, sweet. You just unlocked the red flask. Yeah. Go to crafting. Yep. Okay, we have another arrow. Let's go to settings. Okay, that works. Change the scale. Crafting. Oh boy, that is really not cool. This I don't think I could fix. I think I'm gonna get rid of that arrow. So this is under 13. Goodbye. If I can't fix very easily, then I'm just gonna get rid of it. Oh my goodness, tell me check snap again and I'm blocking you. Oh, that's a video? Okay, I fucking hate Snapchat because it just looks like a photo. Why did you send me that? What the Okay, shut up, Riley. That was not emergency worthy. Just saying. Ugh. Click on the first crafting slot, it will select it if not already, and begin crafting. Sweet. Now keep doing this and earn more sweet energy. Yeah, buy a crafting slot. Is this good? I think it is. Yeah, perfect. Achievement unlocked. Now you can craft 2 at once, reach 1,000 energy. I don't have the time for this. I'm cheating in my own game. How does that make you guys feel? Oh yeah, achievements are broken. I was gonna do this tonight, but I am just like not in the big working mood right now, so it's not a big deal. Manually crafting can be a hassle. Let's buy an auto. Okay, game, crafting, boom, okay. Let's look at the accelerators. I believe this is not going to work either. Yeah. So let's get rid of arrow number 28. Armbarts be like, yeah, let's do everything in my godly powers to distract you. Shut up. It isn't letting me join your Discord server. Hold up. Whoops. Is this truth? Looks just fine. Yeah, what's your username? Maybe I can check the freaking thousands of members we've banned. 1,600. Holy cow. We haven't gotten I just realized we haven't gotten raided in so long. Knock on wood though. But we haven't gotten banned. We haven't been banned in a long. Raided. We haven't been raided in a really long time. Hidden insight. Oh my goodness. Some of these names are pretty funny. Oh, a lot of these are deleted users. Holy shit. Giveaway bot. I knocked on wood. We're not going to jinx it. We're all good. When was the last time we had a full-on raid, though? Now that I think about it. Okay. Hard reset all the way to the start. Well, that's going to happen anyway, so. Alright, let's find out. Gerbil. Gurg. And now it says you're not banned. I would try discord.gg/cryptogrounds. That is like the new URL that works. Or yeah, maybe try this one too. I have no idea what this looks like, but all I know is that it's got a nice username thingy to it. Yeah, just try discord.gg/cryptogrounds and maybe it'll work. Okay. I need to figure this stuff out soon so then I can make a build for you, Void Cloud. Okay. So, set flask expanded by default. Yes, I fixed that. I need to add the arrow, though. I'm going to work as much as I can and then provide you a build. I'm gonna commit a crime. How does that make you feel? Let me actually switch to Mac build right now just so I can get that going. Okay, so Intel 64 plus Apple Silicon. So I guess that's the move. I don't know if I have to do separate builds, but I'm just gonna try that. Still no. I don't know. Send me your full Discord name, and then maybe I can try to invite you from there. Or you can just message me here. Let me copy this. Message me there. Just copy all that. And I could see if for some reason there's just I don't really know. Okay, so we need to change Mac. Oh, it can only be built on a Mac. Yeah, no. We're going mono. We're going mono. I can't speak. So we're gonna switch platforms. All right, see you later, creeper. Don't talk to strangers. Uh-oh. Someone sent me a snap. Oh. Oh! I didn't realize that's what you were talking about. Oh. Sorry, Riley. I didn't know that's literally what you were talking about. Oh my goodness. Who pinged me? If I get pinged in Meta Studio one more time, I'm leaving the server. I love when Discord lags like crazy. Oh my goodness. I thought you could be trusted. That is a crime against humanity. Oh. Keep yourself safe. Alright, Void. Oh boy, I forgot I was switching to Mac, which takes time, so I can't do anything. So let's look at the to-do list. I got pinged again. What is this? What is this rubbish? Oh yeah, I wanted to add the drop-down arrows, but I can't right now because of... Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not going to add the drop-down because that's a lot of work. Yeah, that's good. This is fine. An inkling of void. Old sorcery is awesome. Hey, Arm Barts, you should, consider, you know, reading all of your unread Discord pings. What isn't working? You can't message me? It should work. You should just be able to copy it in and say something to this guy. I have an idea. Let's do this. I'm going to invite you to another server, and maybe you can join through there. So, game news. I'm gonna invite you to So Be It Games. Maybe you'll be able to message me there, because this is my alt, my other server. Try this one. Maybe this will work. Okay, so that's fixed. Hidden text, that's been fixed. Yeah, let's just focus on this tutorial now. Okay, good. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. Now we have an error. Cannot define undefined... What? What does that even mean? I'm not gonna worry about it. Hopefully I can get rid of this error. Oh, I can't. Why? Why? I have no idea why they're mad about capital G. I can't tell you. Cannot define undefined preprocessor symbols after first token in file. I've never used define before, but I'm curious. Please enlighten me. Microsoft Docs. Oh, undef. Define and undef before any other keywords. Define a put before namespace. Oh, okay. So I guess because it's okay, interesting. I didn't know that. This had to be at the top. I just randomly thought, I'm gonna use this define thing. Maybe it'll work. You messaged me. I got your message. Okay, now let's try inviting you. Cryptogrounds community, go. It's a new invite. Maybe it should work this time. Says I'm banned. What the heck? Let's figure this out. Gerbil, you're not... Oh, wait, capital G. Yeah, you're not even in here. This doesn't make any sense. How can you be banned if you're not in here? Do you have an alt account or anything that might have been banned? because it's by IP. So maybe you have another account that got banned somehow. Water, I don't think this is sarcasm. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Check Carl Hackban. How do you do that? Is there a dashboard for that? Oh, I'm on so be it. Actually, that's fine. Hackban. How do I check this? Moderation? Yeah. Okay, so that solved that error. Oh, okay. Maybe. Brody. Ah, okay. Well, I hope that's not the case, because unbanning a deleted user would be not very fun. Yeah, it's not showing up. Let's figure this out. Let me search your name in chat. Member banned. Ah. What was the reason, though? Deleted user 4377. Okay. So we have it here. So 4377. 4377. Deleted user 433. Okay, that's still not showing up. So let me see if I can copy this ID. Okay, perfect. And then let's unban this fella. Unban. Oh, I gotta type it out, actually. Unban. What's unbanning a deleted account gonna do? Not a valid previously banned member? That's kind of whack. So I guess that's strange. Maybe if yeah, what the heck? Okay, let me... It's not showing up. It's just doing this for me. Yeah, there's nothing on this list. This is the user, because if I were to search up Brody, it's this guy right here. So... Compromised account. Ah. Okay. I see. I remember this happening, actually. Oh, member unbanned. So why are you banned? Let me try. Can you like unhack ban? Oh my goodness, I love Discord so much. It's such a great piece of software. I think it was hacked. I don't... Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Unban. Not a valid previously banned member. I don't know. That's very strange. Well, I guess I can say this is Discord's fault. Because for some reason, it says you're not banned. It would have it in the list. But... yeah. It's just not showing up. Well, at least you can communicate with me through So Be It Games Discord, which will probably be dead Discord number 2, because I'm working on this now and not idle NFT shitter. So, yeah. Okay, anyways, back to this tutorial. So I got rid of the arrow. That works. Okay, so we have another arrow here if we go... Well, I'm not on that account, so maybe I wasn't IP banned. Well, I mean, I tried looking up your ID of your Gerbil gaming account, and it still says it wasn't banned, and it's not in the list. So there's no, I don't know why it would say you're banned, unless for some reason Discord added a thing where if you're banned from one server, you're banned from others. I don't know. That would be my only explanation of that. But yeah. Okay, so let's get rid of this stupid arrow, which is from tutorial 30. Oh my goodness, this code is not very good. Okay, so 31. So we have this already, it's just that we need to increment that number because this is tutorial step number 30. Oh boy, what's going on? Oh boy. Okay. Anyways. I need to stream more often. I don't know why I don't do it. I don't know. I just don't know why. I definitely will do it more over the summer and when I have my own place because I have privacy. And yeah, that would be nice. I don't have to worry about annoying people. Okay, so there's this arrow here. So if we go to settings, it's gone. Okay, good. Go to accelerators. Spend at least 500. Oh yeah, another thing I added. Ah, okay, hold up. You can hold down to spend your energy now. You see, if you just hold down, it just gradually adds. Sweet. Alright, see you later, Void Cloud. Thank you for stopping by. Shut up, Riley. Why you gotta be so annoying? Like... Is the starting of the game different than demo? The only difference is the UI. Well, actually, two things. One, it's the entire UI. It's gonna be more polished, and there's gonna be like achievement rewards. Well, that'll be later on. Actually, I'm not really sure how that's gonna relate to the demo, but there's gonna be other. There's gonna be more stuff in Fire. There's gonna be like a daily Solitaire where you can get rewards from. It's kind of like idle skilling with the one game mode. I forgot what it's called. With the daily rewards, except it's Solitaire, so that's gonna be based. I can actually pull up the Solitaire right now. It's just very bugged, and I haven't touched it in a really long time. But my goal is to focus on that and that kind of polish. Starting from the month before I release the game, because that's just kind of filler. It's not very important, and that can just be tested and messed with on the side. But yeah, that's pretty much the only difference. Oh yeah, there's actually assembly. So assembly is just a whole new like piece of content that you unlock at, where's the unlockables? Oh, I have to finish the tutorial first. Let me finish that. I don't remember when it's unlocked, but there's a new piece of content in Flask. Have you tried researching Orange Flask before you get to the Orange Flask tutorial? No, I have not. Why does that happen? Oh, I see. So maybe I should block this out. Okay. Yeah, I forgot that this actually happens. So let me make that a requirement. Thanks for reminding me about that one, actually, because I kind of forgot that was a thing. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do that one. Okay, so head back to crafting. Okay, we've already done that. For some reason, the tutorial just doesn't... okay, yeah, whatever, it's fine. There is more than one flask in this game. It's time we research another one. Okay, well, now we research it. So, I just gotta somehow block it out beforehand. This is gonna take some time, so I'm gonna speed this up. Oh my goodness, I'm time cheating. I unironically time cheat to test faster because I just don't have the time to sit here. I don't time cheat too much, but balancing iFlask did require some time cheating because I'm guilty. I admit I time cheat, but it takes a while to balance. Balancing is hard and it's a very long process, and I don't have time for that. Well, I don't have a lot of time. Time cheating just kind of just speeds up that process. Sweet. You just unlocked the orange flask. Okay, you can now craft orange flask. Blah blah blah. I don't give a damn. Yup. Oh shoot! Those arrows. There's floating arrows. I gotta fix that though. I just don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. Tired boy. Oh, did I screw it up? Oh, I gotta go back. Hold up. Oh no. Okay, I'm okay, so that works. So we need to somehow move these arrows. I think it's 45 through 40. Yeah, it's just 44 and 45. We need to move these so that they are in the correct position. So if we decrease the UI scale, that's fine. I might need to move this up a bit. And I think I need to clip this to the side so that if I were to change this UI scale. Oh, yeah, close enough. Okay, that's good. So I'll copy this and hit next. And it's the same thing, I believe. Okay. We also have this one. What's this one? Oh, this giant arrow. Whatever the hell this does. Arrow jump scare. Giant arrow attack. Hope you're not aerophobic. Because this game won't be for you. Alright. Alright, let's get jump scared. Ugh, go to crafting, dude. Oh, I didn't get jump scared. I think that's next. Good golly, I love Inkling of a Void. Or, yeah, an Inkling of Void. Hope this game isn't like Compacto where later in the game you run out of ideas. Oh, no. I got lots of ideas, dude. Oh, there's the arrow jump scare. Should I make it even bigger? Like... Oh, it's so sweet. Now you know the basics of the game, but I would like to explain a little more on this panel. I should just have it like this. I'm gonna do it like this for the first tier testers and see what the reaction will be. I think it'll be funny. I know the dev for NGU and NGU Industries, he did something like this, I believe. Or at least he just had really massive arrows throughout his entire tutorial. Okay, so we have a giant arrow now. But yeah, I have a lot of ideas. So right now, it's just going to be flasks and tubes, and then all the other side stuff. That's going to be on release. After that, I'm going to have another big update, which will be the entire cylinders layer. I have a whole content layer planned out, so that's going to be good. And then my next step is to add like little special game modes where I kind of teach conceptual stuff related to physics and maybe physics and chemistry. So I'm going to have like little mini chemistry lessons, and it's going to be like in a game style. So it's kind of like a bonus. It's not like going to be part of like flask tubes or cylinders. It's just going to be like basic chemistry stuff that I can teach. So I can make some part of the game educational at least, because That's what I'm taking right now. I'm taking Chem 1 and Phys 1, so kind of want to throw what I've learned into the game. And hey, it's idle research. Might as well add some chemistry to it. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff I could add on to this game. I have intentionally made this game highly expandable by redoing the entire save system. So yes, the demo saves are not going to transfer over now, unfortunately. But on the bright side, the game is now more expandable than it ever was. I can add custom events, like I can have like the Easter, like Christmas. I can literally do whatever, Halloween. I can do whatever I want. I can have Halloween or holiday events in the game. And I think that's gonna be pretty fun. Unlike Crypto Clickers or Compacto, I didn't really do any of that. So idle research, the educational game. Idle research, the standard chemistry teaching game. Oh, there is the jump scare. How does this look if I were to change the scale though? I feel like it could be really big. Good enough. I think this is this is beautiful. This displays how, okay, I don't think this is gonna be right. I know I'm gonna have to change some of this stuff. Yeah. So all of this is just gonna have, yep. This is where you either buy or toggle. I think this is fine. Yeah, I just need to slide this one over just a tad bit, and then it's good. Okay, so let me do that. One more thing, and then we're done with this stupid tutorial. Okay. Will there be public beta? The only form of public beta testing I have is through boosting my Discord server or donating to my Patreon at the moment. So there is going to be no invitational public, here you go, everyone please try the game, see how it is. There's going to be none of that. I have a ton of beta testers right now, so that's kind of the reason why I'm not doing that. And people have already paid, you know, through Patreon or donating or boosting the Discord server to test the game or to become a beta tester. So I'm not going to do any more of that. Also, see you later, Water. So, but yeah, I have tons of beta testers. That is not a scarce resource for me right now. If I were to boost the Discord server, could I beta test? Yes, of course. Just quick question. I would assume you are. I prefer to have people that are on Steam beta test because I can just send them a Steam code. So if you're on, well, for Android users, I would have to send it APK because I don't have any more slots left in my internal testing thing. So if you want a Steam code, yeah, you can boost the Discord server and I can send it to you. I would probably send it to you. Yeah, okay, cool. I'll probably send it to you the next day because right now the current version of Idle Research is very outdated. And if you were to play right now, your save is going to be completely wiped the next time I update, which will be sometime tomorrow once I finish the last things for Flask, like the last bugs, which is what I'm working on right now. So yeah, if you want to boost the Discord server, I can send you the code now, and you can just wait till I update the game tomorrow, which I'll make an announcement. So it's up to you. Okay, so go back to crafting. These arrows should be good to go. Hey you, that's not right. Okay, so everything should be good now. Okay, well, welcome back, Water. In a forest trapped. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Anyways, I want to go back to the map. Or not the map. I wanted to go back to... Yeah, this is really small. Unlockables. Okay, so assembly. Oh, it's 1 million purple flasks, I believe. This was the replacement content for the mastery tree, because I got rid of that. That is long gone. No more mastery tree. Blah. Nobody liked it. I didn't like it. It was really hard to balance quality of life. Also, what is this background? I've never seen this before. What is this? Square panel. Okay, I guess I gotta get rid of that. But yeah, mastery tree, gone. Assembly. What's up? So assembly, it's very basic. You do two things, well, three things. One, you automatically create colored juice based on like how many mystical flasks you donate and stuff, and upgrading the capacity and stuff. Two, you convert the juice into samples, which these samples boost your crafting speed and your crafting count. So that's nice. So that kind of replaces some of the upgrades in the mastery tree. And there's also a fuel and fire boost as well, because there was some of that in the mastery tree. So I needed to incorporate those two things. The third thing you do, you unlock stuff, you automate, or you unlock the automation stuff, and that's pretty much it. It's very self-explanatory, but it's also pretty... It's kind of stretched from when you first unlock it till you get ice flasks, and it can go beyond, but that's kind of the main point. The main filler is from when you unlock it, which is around E80 to E100 energy, all the way to ice flask, which is E1000. So I balanced to make that stretch, and it worked out pretty well. So okay, you boost it twice. All right, thank you very much, sir. I'll send you the key now, so you can just have it, so I don't forget, because I have bad memory. Oh my goodness! I think I showed like some keys. That's okay. If you saw a key, yeah, I'm gonna disable those, or at least somehow do that. I kind of had a fear it would open up. Oh well, it's okay. I will send you a special key. That was my fault. I'm very smart, clearly. Okay, now I will DM you the key. Alrighty. So cool. Message. There's the key. It is in the location of your DMs right now. Bug in craft all screen. I do not have the yellow. Ah, yes, this one. Okay, I can't do this right now. Let me... There's another thing I need to do. Time to use those keys despite already having it on Steam. Oh boy, 4 keys. Who's gonna use those? If someone somehow has this game in the far future because they were watching this video and they saw the key, I am not giving them first tier tester. I will just ban them from the server because that's scummy. I'm joking, but I think it'll be kind of funny. Because there'll be random times where people talk about the game and they're playing it, and I'll be like, well, how the hell did you get it? And it ends up them leaving the server and not having, and then joining back and not having roles, and I kind of just forget. So it'll be kind of like that. Okay, so what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna look for a save. I don't know how this is gonna work. I need to redo the save bank because what I've done is that I have splitted the save system into different components. So we have shared data, so that's the settings, achievements, and all that stuff. And then there's flask data. And there's gonna be tubes, cylinders, and so on. And there'll eventually be events data once I implement those. But that's gonna be in another time. That's after release. But anyways, I want to I want to export this copy, or I want to export this flash data only. And that would be in here. And there we go. I have a flash save. Now, if I were to import one of these, I need to split it up because right now it's combining shared and flash data all in one, and I don't want that. I just got to figure out which one do I want. What am I trying to test? I think I'm trying to test. What am I trying to test? I have such bad memory. It's not even funny. I think oh yeah, it's the change all upgrade. So I'm gonna need one. Probably purple flash is good because this also gives me assembly. So maybe I can show off assembly on the stream. So let's copy that save. Jeez. Okay. Well, this is fun to look at. Oh shucks, my folly. Column 42,000. Okay. So I split the save somewhere. I gotta find a tag though. I don't remember what it was called, but it's in the middle of this goop. I think I'm gonna simplify this process and search this. Cannot find. I'm gonna try importing this and see what happens. Yeah, let's just try this. What's gonna happen is if I were to paste this save and import it, it's gonna say it's missing a tag. So I can't adjust it. I forgot. I turned that off because it's really weird. We have to add the Flask tag and then paste it, because basically what happens if you try to import a shared save into here, it will fail and it will just wipe your entire save, and I don't want that. I could make a safety thing, but this works just fine too. Import box. Oh, I'm actually smart. Oh my gosh. Look at all these notifications. Okay, so that worked. Perfect. So this is just hold on. Okay, so that was just, so basically I gotta do all of these and just add that Flask tag at the beginning of them. Okay, cool. So here's assembly. So we have juice. Oh, it looks like it's not even in progress. Sweet. So right now we have to increase the mystical flask capacity. Right now it's at 0. So you spend mystical flask, which sacrifices your research speed, but it's not too big of a deal, just as long as you're careful with it. Also, I'm gonna turn off scientific note. Yeah, that's better. Okay. But basically you create juice and it's automatic, no need to worry about that. And then you go to samples and you convert those into samples, the juice from juice to samples. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's basic. Yeah. Also, why it's called assembly. Okay, but yeah, you process and you get a sample, and this sample gives you a tiny little boost. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very basic. Also, for some reason some of these are not unlocked. I'm just gonna, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I'm just gonna ignore that. Anyways, I want to change the UI for this. So what's going on here? So we don't have pink flask, so we need to hide this. Also, this entire UI is just screwed up. It's very ugly too. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff. Okay, so I gotta go to the change all, which is located in crafting. Change all. Okay, so I is less than data.current research. So our current research is 0, 1, so that's, I think it's 5 or 6. I don't know if that takes account this pink one. I don't really know where we're at. Okay, we're at 6. And this would be I equals 6 right now. So this should be off, but it isn't for some reason. Does it do the same for pre's? Okay, so it doesn't. I don't know what's... I think I know what the issue is. There's a random one in here that's not supposed to be here. Get out of here. Where's my change all? Here it is. Oh, wait, what? So is this not supposed to be here? These all have... Okay, that's strange. So this is supposed to be here, but for some reason... Okay, that is really weird. I'm confused now. So this one... I can't even... So this one can be toggled. What? Oh, okay, I see what I did here. I assigned it twice. I'm not sure why it took me this long to realize that, but... I know that's in my to-do list somewhere, because I've had this issue for a while. I can probably scroll up and find it. I kind of want to so I don't forget. Tube-related stuff. It's gonna be fun when I have to go through that entire layer of content. Oh my goodness. This song is so good. I love this one. It's so catchy. Oh, okay, here it is. Boop. Ah! Duck that! You take a screenshot, you bully. You're such a meanie head. Okay, so I fixed all the arrow-related stuff, so that's done. Here's our secret text. Here's our secret group chat that nobody else will be able to get added to. Unless you prove yourself worthy, which I don't really see that happening. Yeah, you can remove it from the dock. I still want to take a look at that. So I need to fix the main menu. I will do that at some point. I should do that very soon, like right now actually, because I don't want to have a really broken menu screen for the beta testers. Okay. Yeah. Ugh. Look how ugly this shit is. This is scary. Also, there is a scroll bar here, so I'm not sure why it wasn't scrollable. Yeah, what is this? Oh, there's nothing at the bottom. Oh, this. Okay, I see now. Let's get rid of this ugly ass. Let's turn this into the science panel. 5. Oh, here's the Solitaire, by the way. Let's play a quick game of Broken Solitaire. I don't know why it's on a separate scene, but yeah, that's whatever. Okay. Okay, let's play some broken Solitaire. I'm really bad at it, by the way, so please don't bully me for it. I will admit, me being bad is a skill issue. I'm just trying to remember what were the bugs in this. For some reason, this is performing like very... I don't remember these animations being very sluggish, too. I'm probably missing like so much right now. So the plan here is that you get rewarded based on your score, and you'll have 3 chances to get a high score, and you can't play for the rest of the day. But you can like do practice runs and stuff, so you can kind of figure out what you're doing, I guess. Because this is kind of some janky Solitaire. Also, it doesn't help that I'm like really tiny. There we go. That's better. Oh, I can put that there. Not yet, my friend. I gotta build up this score multiplier. I'm really bad at this. I'm so slow. Oh no! I could put the. I could have put the 2 there and put the clubs and got rid of that. Oh well. El bozo. This is basically just speed solitaire. Yep, pretty much. And you can exit at any time if you want. There's no time limit or anything. So if you either run out of room or moves, or you kind of fail, then you can do that. Let's see, does that work? Yeah, that does. Sweet. I have an ace of spades. Where is the eight? Oh, yeah. The other bug. The cards. Some of the cards are upside down for some reason. Also, while we're talking about solitaire, I have the special deck in my hands right now. I have the premium cryptogrounds cards. So let's see what's on the back. We have the CG. We have the money emote from Clash Royale, the King Money, and then we have the big me on it, and then the cryptogrounds logo. Sweet. The funny thing is that I spent $66 damn on this deck of cards, and I've used it once. Waste of money? Maybe. But I still think it's kind of cool to have and to brag about. I have my own deck of cards that I made from scratch. And it's also, if you can see, it's got like the what's that called? It's got, see, it's like rainbow. I forgot what that's called. It's got a name for it. And the sides are freaking silver. That's why these were $66. And I got a cool looking case. So it's technically, that's not merch. Like, you can't buy it. I mean, you probably could. It's on the make playing cards thingy, but it's very expensive, and I don't recommend buying it because, one, I'm not going to get anything out of it. Someone from the Discord server bought the older version of these, which I had an original set of cards, which you can still buy. They're cheaper, but there were some mistakes on the cards, and I had to fix those. For example, the ace was actually a 1, and some of these kings and stuff were flipped upside down. And I also had the really tiny flask logos instead of the actual, you know, these things, the suits. So they were really hard to read, but now it's much better. But yeah, anyways, I have the physical copy of these cards, which is kind of funny. I've used them once. It's just that my only complaint is that they're very freaking slick. I wasn't expecting them to be this slick, but that's just, I guess that's just what happens when I've never purchased a deck of cards online. Yeah, they're very nice, easy shuffle. I can't really bridge that well. I don't really want to bend them, but yeah, here are my really sick cards, and they got the logo in the back. I'm getting really off topic right now, but this is fun. I don't really ever get to talk about these cards because they kind of just sit in this drawer. But yeah, let's see. Let me find the ace of spades. I can just lay them all out. Okay, so we have like the king and the queen. So I made these originally in graphic design in high school. It was for a little project, so I decided to make cards for my game because I didn't want to make new art from scratch, and I thought this was a cool concept, so I pretty much did that. Also, I have some Joker cards, which is just the logo. Oh, this is literally just double-sided. I did that intentionally. Where's the ace of spades? Here it is. Here's the ace of spades. It's clearly the ace of spades, but yeah, I mean, this was fun to make. I've used it once. Maybe I'll use it more in the future. Who knows? Maybe they will just collect dust in this little case. Or maybe these would be very valuable cards in the future. Who knows? It could be the next It could be the next new Pokemon card collection thingy, you know? Like, these are so rare. There's only one copy in the entire world. Easily worth $100,000. Anyways, these are my cards that I have. And yeah. Anyways, back to Solitaire. Yeah, they were fun to make. So I have 2 decks actually. I probably have the other deck somewhere. I think it's down there. I don't want to grab it because that's a lot of work. Okay, so we got the queen. We're getting things moving now. Okay. The animations are very slick. I think I'm very proud of these animations. Oh, I can't move this down here for some reason. I don't know why I can't. That's kind of strange. Okay, moving this entire deck was so hard to do. Oh, that's one of the bugs. It's where it like teleports when you quickly move it. I don't know why it does that. Oh, there's a card down here. For some reason it was just hidden. Okay, I'm actually blind. Yeah, I'm trying to fix that. This is very buggy right now. I forgot this was an IR dev stream. Yeah, me too. I'm just having fun here. Okay. Oh, sweet. Okay, I can now move stuff. Oh, I kind of forgot to move my face. I'm such a goober. There we go. It's actually it's covering the. Let me. Here, you get a good look at my forehead. Forehead reveal. Okay. There we go. Now you can actually see these slick animations that I worked so hard on. This was actually really fun to make, but it was very painful. It was a really long time ago too, so I could probably write better code and fix that. Yeah, there's just a lot of stuttering. I don't know why that happens, but I'm sure I can solve that now. That's been forever. What seems to happen is that if I have a problem, and if I give up, I'm able to solve it when I come back randomly, because for some reason my brain just clicks suddenly. So I think I'm out of moves. A second. Oh, there's diamonds, I guess. Okay. You see, you gotta be smart. Being smart is not my specialty. I need to get rid of this guy here. But it's somewhere in here, I guarantee it. It's probably in this one. Also, getting the RNG was really difficult too. I have three of diamonds and 4 of diamonds. Oh, I think there's a big delay in the stream right now. Okay, just bear with me. I'm not very smart with this game. What do I do? I think I'm screwed here. I need to get rid of I need to get rid of this, but I can't because it's in the way. There's 3 of hearts. Unless I move. Ah, no, it's right there. No, they're not always winnable. As you can see, I played myself and I can't win. I think. I could be blind. I don't really know though. I'm bad at Solitaire. Let me just try moving stuff around and just seeing if things pop up. This guy just needs to be... No, that's not the issue. It's this big fat stack of 10s that are in the way. I don't have a purple 8 to connect this to. It's just dead. I also don't have a place for this 4. And you see, this wouldn't be an issue because I have the 2 clubs and 3 clubs and a 4 of clubs. But I don't have an ace of clubs. That's kind of an issue. I think I'm gonna have to restart as much as I don't want to. I just can't do anything. So yeah, it's about speed and actually completing this entire thing, because the more cards you get up here, the more points. These are worth the most. And if you can't complete the entire thing like I just did, then you're not going to get a very good score. Okay, you see this is very lucky here. I have all diamonds on right off the bat. This is just pure luck. Unless the random number generation is terrible. It could be both. Which one do I place? I probably should not put the 4 here because I kind of need this. I kind of need these diamonds, and this may be an issue. Let's see. Okay. We have an 8. I don't know if I want to put that there. I think this may be the move. 6 of hearts. What do I do with you? Nothing. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Jolly good show. The score easily abusable. What do you mean by that? What makes you think it could be abused based on looking at this? Can't you just switch purple between 3 and blacks constantly? No, it doesn't work that way. It only works if you take a card off of the stock or the tableau, whatever it's called. If you take a card off of here and place it, then you get points. But you cannot get points by transferring. That would be, yeah, that would not be good. Yeah. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. I had a pretty bad start. Another strategy is you kind of want to like plan ahead. Oh my goodness, Brian Temple. Oh my goodness. You like my forehead? Do you like my forehead? I think it's pretty good looking. And I have my Iron Maiden shirt. Oh my god, guys, it's Brian Temple. Nick Merckx. Haha, you really got me there. I hate Solitaire. Or at least I hate my Solitaire. There's literally nothing I can play. And this is very sad. It's all just really low numbered cards, so I can't like move things around. Oh my goodness, no way. I've known Brian Temple since birth. Believe it or not. Where's the 3 diamonds? Okay, so the 3 diamonds here, so I can't do anything. I don't have a 3 to place this on. Again, I kind of screwed myself. I think I got... This is why I'm going to give 3 like redos max, because that just is just going to be a popular trend. I'm going to try not to connect these low numbers because that seems to be screwing me over every time. Because there's no like undo or anything. So once you screw up, you screwed up. Bless up. Oh boy, that works out. Ace of Spades. Awesome Motorhead song. I hate the stuttering. It's weird. I do not understand why. It's probably got something to do with like the update system, which I'm actually gonna write down in the Solitaire script. Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go. Maybe this will be the fix. Which one are these two? Oh, that's why it's long. Okay. I need a king. Oh, there we go. There we go. Another one. I think that's safe to cover. We don't have any of these two unlocked, so this is gonna really work out. I hope. We don't need the diamonds for a really long time. You're still here. Awesome. Hey, what's up, McBanda? I hear the cough. Did you get sick too? Yeah, I know there was a huge cold on our floor, but I actually got sick before everyone. I don't think I gave the sickness because I got sick the day I left. Actually, no, the day before I left for spring break. So I had the cold. It wasn't that bad, but then I got pink eye halfway through spring break, or not really halfway through, but very early on in spring break. So half my spring break was pink eye, and then I've kind of just been like congested and all that ever since then. So yeah. Did you bookmark this stream? Good job. But yeah, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm necessarily sick. Oh no! Fuck. Yeah. I mean, I just have stuff in my system still. Maybe it's allergies too. I don't actually, no, it can't be allergies. 7. You haven't started the spring break yet. Yikes. Where do I move this? I'm so blind. Okay, so some of these diamonds need to get moving. My score is very bad. Got sick around Tuesday before spring break, so by the time I got home I was at least 100%, but the cough lingers. I still have it a bit. Yeah, pretty much same here. Except me, I think I got it on Wednesday. Said Wednesday or Thursday. I did leave Thursday night, and I think I had symptoms Wednesday night. So yeah. But then our cold spreaded literally like 2 days after spring break. Everyone just got the cold. So I didn't get hit by that, or maybe that's why I still have. Maybe that's why the cold is still lingering around. It's because of it. Okay, I need a queen really badly because I can't do anything. This is not good. I think I'm gonna have to give up again. Yeah, this stinks. The RNG is not in my favor. Okay, this is the last attempt, and then I'm gonna stop playing fucking Solitaire. Oh my goodness. Should put that, yeah, whatever. Which one do I want to unlock though? I guess that, sure, that works out. Perfect. Okay, this might be it. So yeah, if you get a card from here and place it in the tableau, whatever you call it, you get even more points. Like the score multiplier just shot up So now I need to get moving so I can get more. So now it's speed. I'm not very good at that, so. Also, if you unlock a card, you get points. I think I said that already. I don't remember. I need to not cover up this card because that's gonna screw me over at some point. I guarantee it. I need a 2 of spades. I need a 2 of spades. Solvable so you don't get RNG. That'd be kind of hard. I'm just saying. That'd be really tricky. Okay, I just need Ace of Hearts and I'm good. I think that's achievable. All right, we'll see you later. Thank you for stopping by. Now I'm going to solve this. No, it's not tricky. It's just that with normal Solitaire, you get like hints and stuff, and you get the undo. So if you screw up, you can go backwards, but you can't in here. So I think that makes it kind of hard. I think. I don't know. I think I screwed myself up again. I don't have any cards to play. Oh, I do. I have this. Oh my gosh, I'm so blind. Well, let's go through this real quick, because if we have an important card we can use. Ace of Hearts, when the hell did this? What? That just magically appeared. Well, that just kind of saved us. Okay, well, we have this king here. Oh, yeah, I need to... Yeah, okay, that's... Yeah. Yeah, yep. Okay. Give me something good. I'm so blind. I'm so bad at Solitaire. It's not even funny. Oh, look here. This is exactly what we needed. Okay, and now we can move that. This. Bang. I think we're going to beat the game this time. I don't mind. This current song sounds like Tangerine Dream. Doesn't even sound like Dungeon Synth. It just sounds like Berlin School ambient. Okay. We need that diamond though. Oh, actually no, we're good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Oh, don't screw me up now. Just let me play something. I need something. I need the 3 of spades. It's probably hidden in here and I can't move it. That would really suck. Okay, we got something. Thank goodness. Okay. Can I move stuff out? I think that's also another thing. You can't move stuff out. I actually don't think you can do that anyways. In normal Solitaire. Yeah. Okay, good. So we need a 6. A black 6. And... need a lot of spade cards. That will really help us if we get a 3 of spades. Oh, we got this one, this guy. Oh, why did I get rid of that? I really needed to move this. Okay, it's okay. Then we also have the 7. Oh man, okay. We're killing the score. We have a really good multiplier. Okay, perfect. This works out. But now we need a 6, which I think exists somewhere in this deck. Jack. Okay, we are doing pretty good. We're doing pretty. Oh, there's the 3. Oh my god. Look at that. I broke the game. I didn't break it, but okay. So now let's see what's up. 5. We need a 6. That's in there. 6, 7, 8. Let's just start spamming stuff because we're probably gonna get like. Okay. Look. 108,000. I definitely think I'm curving. I'm curving the score. You see in school, you curve the grades and it makes it better, but this will just, we're curving it here, we'll just make it worse. What am I missing? I'm blind. I should just pause this. I don't want to lose this insane score multiplier. Am I blind? Or am I actually stuck now? Well, so we need a jack. There's a jack here. We need to get this hearts up. So we need to move this somehow, but we can't. But if I move this, can I play that? No. We need the 10 of diamonds, which is stuck behind all these. Yeah, we're kind of screwed. I don't think I can do anything else at this point. Unless I somehow... This is infuriating. Watch. Okay. Am I missing something? Am I blind? I feel like I am. There's a 6 in here somewhere. Now I need to move one of these. I'm done. I'm quitting this stream. Goodbye. That was embarrassing. And this is the damn card we needed this entire time. Oh, okay. Switching is kind of weird. It's kind of broken. It's too flex. Yeah. What? Okay, that's weird. Okay. That's doing it again. There we go. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I think I'm gonna have to take priority over switching or assigning the cards to there. Yeah, see, I can't click, it just switches. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet. I beat it. This is genuinely the first time I've beat my own Solitaire. Look at that. I'm so bad. That was actually really embarrassing. You see, I probably haven't beaten one because I just make stupid mistakes like that and I don't even realize it. But sweet, I'm done. I also need to make sure to not drag these because, yeah. Alright, cool. And we did all that for nothing. Yeah, sweet. Okay, no more Solitaire. We're done. Yeah, that took way longer than it should have. Okay. What was I gonna work on? Oh yeah, the loading screen. Totally got off task there. Silly me. Productive stream, I really agree. You see, sometimes it's kind of hard to agree with people, but this time I definitely agree with that one. What the heck? Hold up, I see giant arrays and it's pissing me off. Why do I have giant, what? Why do I have 164? What? What? Hold up, come on. Unity is just shitting itself right now. What the heck is this? Is this why? This can't be why. What? Okay. Okay, no, now it's working fine. But if I go here, okay. What is this? Oh my god. There's 164 copies of these. Oh my goodness. Why is there 164 copies of this data? Why? Okay, good. Alright, cryptogrounds, tell me, what did I do? I'm going to find how long ago you started Solitaire. Exactly 30 minutes ago. Jeez, 30 minutes. I am such a time waster. Okay. So now what am I actually going to do? I'm going to see why this whole... Why is there so much? So this is the main menu script. Is it every time I load it, just adds a new one? I don't understand. Why 164? That's such an oddly specific number. Let me look through the millions of scripts. Here we go. I should make folders. That might be a good idea. You see, I don't even like... I create a 3. You know what? I have... Easy solution to this. Delete. Delete. Now, if we were to convert this to a string for our save files, that would be 55 kilobytes on average times 162. That's like over a few megabytes of just data. No, way more than that. It'd be like a few 10, I think. I'm just saying random stuff. Cause this is so weird. I don't know why it's like this. I don't know if it's something to do with me converting from Windows to Mac, like through GitHub, or this is just some... Okay, there we go. Now things are... it's some... there's a lot going on when you have the application.tick hold on thingy. This is still lagging. Application message left down... What? Okay. There we go. This is better. Yeah, it's slow when you have the left mouse button down, like, message to tell Unity that I'm actually clicking. Oh boy. Okay, let me fix this menu, because this is terrible. So what is wrong with this? So if I were to reduce this... Options. I see now. Okay, I fixed the main menu, and yeah. What? Oh, jeez. Small skinny phone moment. Okay, so I fixed that. I'm gonna make this prettier in the future. That's just something I don't really want to. I need to do this because I'm publishing this to beta testers tomorrow, and if this is what they see, they may be disappointed. We will use the magic science panel because that's just the new UI standard for idle research. This simple panel. Yeah, that looks good. Dude, there's so many variants. A lot of flexibility with it. Okay, that looks fine. What the heck? I'm working so hard right now. Also, I can't really see the background. It's kind of not cool. There we go. That's better. I want to be able to see the background. And now we fix this stuff. Also, this progress bar is, or this scroll bar is very ugly. I do not approve of this. That moment when the entire game exists under sample scene. I never even changed the name of it. It's just sample scene. That is my creative ability. At its max. There it is. Oh, shucks. Alrighty. What is wrong with this? Why is it like this? Yep, good. Alright, see you later, water. I wonder who's left. Who's left? Who's still watching? If nobody responds within 2 minutes, I think I'm gonna bounce as well. Sweet. Okay, now time to make these look better. Oh boy. Ah, no. Are you serious? Okay, I changed the colors and I can't undo it now. Why? What kind of... Huh? Why can I not change the colors? That's silly. That's kind of silly. Yeah, sure. I guess I will just assign random buttons. Import. Close. Yep, that looks fine. Whatever. Well, now it's pretty. So when you load into local save, it loads into Flask, which then you can get to tubes by map, which I don't need to do anything else for that. Okay. All right, so that has been redone. Just finished tutorial. Everything seems to be working well by and large. Couple of error. Yep. This isn't scrollable. That's been fixed. I'm actually gonna add a scroll bar because that's gonna confuse some people because it doesn't look scrollable at times. Just gotta somehow slip that in there without making it look bad. I think I'm just gonna copy this fella and just add it. Add a little tiny one because you don't really need a giant scroll bar for an entire thing that can be scrolled up and down. So where's our navigation? Right here. Oh, so we have a scroll bar, but I'm getting rid of it. See ya. Okay. Auto hide. All right, let's test. All right, that's kind of ugly. Might need to scoot that over to the left. And yeah, otherwise the progress bar looks fine. Or should I just move this like that? I don't know. It looks kind of weird. I guess that works. I don't really want to move everything. That's just a lot of work. If I put it on the edge like this, that also looks fine. Maybe I can do it like that. Yeah. Actually. 0.5. I think that looks good enough. Okay. Progress bar added. Kind of inconsistent looking, like the progress bar. Like it's not how the buttons are not in the middle, or what do you mean by that? Ah, okay. Yeah, that's fair. I might end up moving it. We'll see. No. Gotta leave a little mark. Okay. High priority A. I think I fixed that. How do you strike through on Google Docs? It's been a while. Is it literally just... How do you actually strike through? I kind of forgot. Oh. Strike through. How do you strike through? Alt-Shift-5. Sure, good to know. Alright, Alt-Shift-5. It's just, yeah, okay. FPS limiter does nothing. 20% CPU usage before. I'm not going to worry about that because I think that's better for late game and mobile devices. And that guy is testing on PC. Low, medium priority, exponential, spending rate shows of... You're right. Testing the demo at the moment. The notation is on standard, but the accelerator tabs are in scientific. I have fixed that. This also happens in the Android version of crypto. Challenges text is, yeah. I'm not gonna, yeah, I remember that one. It happens when I just set a text to a literal number. I set it to scientific by default and I just don't change it. However, I have fixed that in here because I redid the entire navigation system, so that's all good to go. So next we need to go to our new accelerator script. I need to delete the old one because this is not in use anymore. Actually, did I delete it? I think I did, unless I moved it somewhere else. I think I did. Anyways, we need to fix this right here. This rate mode. I think I fixed that. So good. I should really start using Google Docs instead of Discord to-do list because it's kind of messy. When no research is being done, have a percentage to next research requirement. Ah, that's a good idea. Have a percentage next to research requirement. Now, I know he's not here, but I wonder if he's talking about like in the actual research screen, or if he's talking about. I have an idea. Something even better. Let's do this. So let's go to navigation and have our research text be what we can do here is have a requirement for research in here. So what is this text called? Title. Now we can have our research. We already have the percentage up top. So I'm gonna keep that at 0. But for research, for the title itself, we'll have a percentage here. And this is based on whether we are researching or not. And so hopefully this doesn't get too big or anything. Okay, so if it's researching, we're just gonna ignore. Otherwise, we want to display a percent, and that would be another thing in here. Let's see. I gotta do this big thing. Data energy 50. I don't know. Oh, I see what's going on here. Cute. Now, why is this called flask-based research cost? Because I feel like this is gonna really screw up our tubes here. I'm gonna... you better not. Yeah, I know that it's pretty bad. The names are, it's just the names are very long. And I'm also using ternaries, which makes stuff very long. Yeah, I will allow you to judge me on this. I'm not very good at making things short. Okay, let's test. Trust me, there's a lot of bad code in this game. There's just so much of it. Try and break up the ternaries and then it's just hard to read and long. Yeah. I mean, and also if statements look really bad too. I mean, if statements are fine, but I just don't like using them for stuff like this. Like, stuff related to, like, text, like displaying text or something like that. I don't know. I just don't like it. Okay, so 1.75, that doesn't seem right. So I'm 175%, so I gotta multiply this by 100. Alright. Now, do I limit this to 1? Is that really worth doing, though? I don't know if that's worth the extra math. I'm gonna keep it. Because then I could just get rid of the notate. What? Oh. Okay, anyways. We'll see what people think about this one. CPU saver. Okay, we already have this. Wait, CPU saver. Wait a minute. Oh, FPS limiter does nothing. Okay, well that's just some people just like it. There's nothing I can do about that. Slower FPS would only help for higher, like later in the game, because literally, when nothing's happening at the beginning of the game, it's just not going to use much CPU. I mean. In crafting, at the beginning, it goes up to a max, at least for me, 250 FPS. Later on, it kind of dips down to like the 150 range. So, that's, yeah. Changing UI scale messes up the navigation bar. That's been fixed. Discord button doesn't work at all. I'm kind of aware of that. Actually, does it not work? Oh, you're right. Okay. Flask should show how many flasks it costs while auto crafting, not per seconds, just cost for one flask. Good idea. Buttons on the edge of navigation can't be scrolled to. That's been fixed. That is the same thing as problem number 1. Going on subtabs leads to the parent tabs being grayed too. Not sure if that's intentional, but it feels very odd. Okay, I will note that. I kind of agree with that, but let's see. Yeah, I mean, that was kind of intentional because it shows like, okay, you're in normal accelerators, so maybe I will get rid of that. That's probably going to be a first tier testing feedback thingy. Okay, so yeah, we have our percent here. It looks kind of weird, but that's going to take forever. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I kind of like that percent though. It's kind of neat. It's actually useful. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I like that. That's a good suggestion. Never had anything like that. So are we done with this list? Oh, positive feedback. Yay! Okay, new UI is amazing, the idea is great, and it looks professional, like a company made this. Really appreciate that. Sweet. I worked very hard on this UI. Tutorial is well laid out to guide the player at the beginning. Awesome. Empty space hardly exists in the beginning of the game. Game feels full, yet not too compact. The pop-up at the beginning tells you to change some settings, which is great, and it probably encourages people to check the settings too. There is a ton of attention to detail, from the navigation expanding on certain buttons to the little flashing animations when Flask insta-craft. Awesome. Sweet. I'm very excited for 200 or more people to test this, if all of them even do that, so. Anyways. I need to fix achievements, because achievements are broken as hell right now. I need to do that. So let's hop on that grind. I'm gonna do that for tonight, and then I think I'm done for at least for tonight. Maybe, I don't know. I should wake up early tomorrow and get stuff done, but I also have physics, web work, homework to do, and then I have design reports to finish, which my part's done, but I need to check to see if everyone finished theirs. What else do I need to do? I have chem I need to do, but I can do that on Monday and Tuesday. I think that's it. Just physics. And I need to get on that because I kind of been slacking. Kind of forgot about this. That's due in 10 minutes? What's due in 10 minutes? Hold up. What is due in 10 minutes? Is it your report? I think ours got moved to my class at least got moved to Sunday. Yeah. See, I got nothing due today. Is your design? No. Ours was originally due on Thursday, but it was moved to Sunday. So they kind of baited us on that one. So, but I finished mine literally last Saturday because I just wanted to get ahead of it because I have so much stuff I need to do. We're basically making a giant fitness watch. So I have to take the Raspberry Pi. Got moved to today. Oh, that stinks. So I guess your guys' was due Wednesday, if I had to assume. I know some people had theirs due on Tuesday or Wednesday. White. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, achievements. Come on, cryptogrounds, get with the system. I'm gonna think about this slider. I'm gonna really think about this one. I will see what other people think about it. Did mine earlier today. My group didn't start theirs till an hour ago. I'm sitting here watching you stream while being disappointed in my team. We're not turning this in on time. Oh god. Yeah, that seems like a lot of people. My group kind of started theirs last minute because we had to do our peer review. But I believe pretty much everyone got their independent parts done, or at least a rough draft of it, done on Wednesday night. But the team part hasn't been started yet, I think. I haven't checked on it. I haven't been worrying about it because someone told me on my team that they're going to do it and let me work on the actual prototype, which is fair because I'm literally carrying the team in a way. I'm doing like the big part, which is just a lot of coding and setting up, which is fun, but just a lot of stuff on top of the report. Do you have a good group? I mean, I like my group. It's just that most people in my group are kind of not compatible for this project because of their majors. But I mean, I do have another comp sci, so we're good. It's just that everyone, like, we have one undecided, we have a chemi and a civvy. So chemis and civvies can't really do anything for a giant fitness watch. It's a huge comp sci project, but and electrical engineer, but that's whatever. We're kind of figuring things out. Achievements, yes, achievements. So the issue here is that I need to split the achievements from flask to tubes, so they're going to be completely different. I think I'm going to show them all in this menu. So the achievements is just one screen. That'll make it easier. We are disorganized, but we get along and our project could be worse. Our instructor grades extremely easy, so we will have probably manage an A somehow. Oh, nice. Our professor is not really a strict grader, but she kind of just takes off points just because she wants to. It's not like you can get perfect 100% on everything. She just takes off points just probably because of some one minor detail or just something she notices off the spot. She's not a tough grader, and she's a great person. She just kind of talks a frick ton during lecture, and it's really annoying. But that's just me. Otherwise, she's nice. And I have Tracy Case. I don't know if that name rings a bell. Okay, so I need to have two scripts open, data and achievements. We are going to be modifying our global data class, and that will be this guy. So we have our flask achievements completed and our tube achievements completed. Nope. All right. I believe we split this into two. All right. Now we have our achievement prefab. We need our flask achievement list and our tube, but we're not going to worry about tube for now. That's going to be later down the road. Then we have our flask. I feel like this is just a lot of copy and pasting. I could probably make a different. I could probably just make a class, but I'm kind of lazy. These are all going to be the same though, so I'm probably going to keep these goals. Prestige goals. Literally all the flasks and tubes are going to be the same, except there's going to be like some unique ones. I will organize this in the future. This is just going to be temporary because I don't have a lot of time. Okay. Thank you, ZD. School's going pretty good. It's just a lot of work. Design. So I have 4 classes. I got design, calc 2, calculus 2, Physics 1, and Chemistry 1. Design 1 is... the class itself is like easy. It's an easy class. It's just a lot of busy work and it's just boring. And it doesn't really... I really feel like a lot of the stuff doesn't really apply to me. Design itself is important, like the concept of design. It's important, but they teach it in a way that, I don't know, they just give us a lot of irrelevant information that we're going to learn somewhere else down the road at some point. Ah, the funks. Ah, I should learn those. I've tried. They're weird. I should learn those, though. There's a lot of C# stuff I should learn. I have tried delegates. Delegates are pretty interesting, but they're pretty heavy, I've heard. I want to learn more about callbacks because they seem pretty useful. I just don't really know how to use them. Interfaces. I definitely want to start implementing interfaces and abstract classes because those seem very helpful. Like, they would be very, very nice with my upgrade system. However, I don't really want to redo all that. Like, I have fire upgrades and ice upgrades. These could be implemented. This could be just one eye upgrade or something like that. Just one interface class. Oh, you see, I have one eye upgrade. I didn't use it because that would be a lot of redoing. And I just, yeah. Those are just some things I want to learn and learn how to use in future projects. Okay, so what is this? I'm trying to remember how all of this... moving these in 1 line. There we go. That's a little easier to read. So why is this -1? I'm trying to remember why this is -1. I don't know why that's -1. That is kind of weird. It's probably something to do with like the tutorial or something. So we had flasks and tubes here. Okay. So we can get rid of these guys. And then... so what is this? Energy goals? I'm assuming this, it's a size of 5, I guess. I might add another one of those. Fall semester is actually looking kind of exciting. I'm hyped for it. Let me pull up my schedule. I'm pretty hyped. I am doing software engineering. I got... It's duo time. When is it not fucking duo time? Fall. So I have trail running, which is just 1 time a week. I don't know how that's going to look, but trail running seems pretty fun. I do want to get more into running, so kind of curious to see how that's going to go. It's probably going to be the pointless PE class like most of them are. I have Calc 3 at 9 AM, so that's a good start. And then I'm taking DiffyQ, so I got 2 math classes going. So that's going to be nice. And then software engineering. So I'm... which one? What are you taking? Software engineering? And yes, are you taking software engineering though? If so, this is the one I have. I have Tuesday, Thursday, 11 o'clock. Yo, what's up, Mr. Red Shark? How's it going? So I got those guys, and then I have Phys 2, and that's it. I have Phys 2 lecture in studio, so it's a pretty chill schedule. I'm excited. Oh, you're in 306 right now. How is it? I've heard it's like a full-time job. Like, in terms of work. Okay, so this is gonna be... this is such bad code. It's 23. What the fuck is that? I don't know why that's there. I don't really care though. I don't know how good at coding Mr. Red Shark is, but if you're looking at my code and you're cringing, then you're probably doing, that's probably a good thing. Oh my goodness. You'll be perfectly fine, get a good partner. I am with David M, and we probably put in around 6 hours each week on average. It's a lot, but we probably spend less than most people. Okay, cool. Oh my god, there's people screaming, hold on. I love the people on my floor. But okay, I'm taking the class with like 5 other people on my floor, so, and I'm really good friends with a few of them, so I should be chilling. Jesus, I just hear a bunch of squealing outside the hall. Oh goodness, adventure leadership community, let's freaking go. Goodness. Oh, I can get rid of this guy. So why do you need partners in software engineering? What are you actually doing? Like, is it like project based or like homework based where you just work with people, kind of like group activities? Like what even is like, what makes up most of the class, I guess? Well, that's exactly why I'm doing that, because I definitely do that a lot, so I kind of want to learn. And I've heard DiffyQ is pretty chill, so and DiffyQ, and Calc 3 is easier than Calc 2, and Calc 2 already is really easy, so I think it'll be fine. You make the board game Clue, then they break it up into a bunch of different parts. Oh god. Is this all in C++ or a language of your choice? I really hope it's a language of my choice, because I am using C# or Java. That sounds kind of interesting, though. I wonder why Clue, though. Why Clue out of all games? No hate for Clue, though, but... What even is this? I don't oh, this is... Times prestiged. Okay, I can get rid of this. Java. Okay, not bad. I don't... Yeah, okay, I see. Okay, I see what I'm doing here now. Okay, the lore is coming together. 32, 33, no, this is 32, 33. Okay, so there's 33, so 34 achievements. I don't think we need them for tubes. I guess this is fine. I don't really know. I just want this to work. Oh god, I don't want to do this on stream. This is not fun to look at. Like, look at this. This is just not good. I made this forever ago, and I haven't been wanting to change it. I just gotta copy all these numbers, though. It's, yeah. Oh well. All right, prepare. I'm preparing to be bullied by McPanda. I don't know why I call you by McPanda. Where did you get your name? Where did it come from? What's the lore behind your name? I need to know the lore. I personally have a pretty strange story behind mine. It's pretty stupid though, but there we go. I used to be McBobby123. I picked it when I was young. I thought it sounded funny. One of my friends who used to call... one of my friends used the username The Silent Panda. That convinced me to buy the Division, and we're going to... I gotta change all of this. I don't even remember what... Oh. What even is all of this? Make a panda clan. Everyone needed to have a panda in their name, so I became McPanda. He never bought the game, but I stuck with the... Oh, he never bought the name. Oh, okay, the game division. Okay, that makes sense. And you stuck with the name. And change the A's and Q's at some point. I see. Nice. Well, I don't even know what half of this is. What? What is this item? Why is this item promotion here? What? I don't know why this is here. To do? You got DiffyQ midterm. Oh boy, let's go. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by. Wish you the best of luck on that exam. What is this one? What is 40? Don't remember which one this was. Okay, I can find out what 40 is. What the heck is 40? It is something to do with blue energy. Oh, that's probably the big energy one that I had to hide. Okay, that's fine. I can get rid of this one. I know for a fact we're gonna be good. Alrighty. Achievement unlocked. Research the tube. Goodbye. Jeez. I don't like this code at all. I'm really disappointed in myself for making this. This is terrible. Okay. So then this must be 23. See ya. Goodbye. So then we have 23, and that jumps to 28. Okay. I think I'm done. Alrighty, let's test. Test this stupid thing. I know where this is coming from. I'm probably gonna... I should have a general script, like achievements. I have to be completely honest, making achievements is probably my least favorite part about this, just because, I don't know, I've always hated making achievements, in-game achievements. The Steam ones are fine, I guess. I mean, it's a painful process because you gotta upload a picture, change the achievement ID and the name, description, everything, one by one, and I have 64 achievements. I gotta do that all one by one, unless there's a way to import JSON code or something. But anyways, I don't like making achievements. I think it's just so boring and it's just tedious. I just need to make a better script for it because right now it's just blah. I need to like somehow merge all the requirements into one, make one entire thing instead of having a bunch of if statements and stuff. It's just, I'll get there at some point. I will figure that out. What's good? Let's go in here. What's good? What are these names though? Okay, this is a 34. What are these names? I kind of don't remember what these names are. Oh, I remember. Never mind. I remember where we get them from. Okay, let me check Discord. I think I have some messages. They could be very important. CG cookie. Oh yeah, that's very important. Fixed already. Cool song. I don't give a shit. Sorry, I received a really funny video, or not video, a picture. Okay. What's this? Oh, I kind of forgot I had that loaded. For some reason... Is Unity frozen? You telling me Unity right now is frozen? Well, let's figure that out. What the heck is going on here? Oh, we're good. Oh boy. Oh boy. I sure love achievements. What the heck? That did not work. Eh? What? Okay, so I get this random... Ah, okay. I see what's going on. Ah, it's this guy. Ah, it's this guy. Okay, so I gotta redrag all of these icons. I kind of don't want to do that. I should really make a script to automate this part because I don't want to make 300 million achievements and have to drag them in one by one for them to be magically deleted out of thin air on accident or something. I don't really know. So I guess I would just get rid of these guys. Can I not like pain? I intentionally make this a painful experience for some reason. I'm such a good dev that I have to like manually nerf myself because yeah, otherwise I'd be too powerful. Right clicking would be weird. That's kind of cringe. I don't like that. I didn't even know you could right click on these, to be honest, but kind of like this one. I have one less achievement. Where did that go? I am missing an achievement. I should have 34. Shift clicking. Yeah, no. No good. Okay, but I am missing one achievement, and I don't know what that was. Did I accidentally delete one? 8, 16, 17... I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, wait. Huh? So this goes from 28, so this is golden. It goes from 28 to 31. It starts at, oh, it's 27. Ah, I see. I am very smart. So now I gotta move all of these. This is why I should make a giant script so I don't have, like, not a giant script, but just a better system. Just a better system. Because I don't have to replace everything over and over again. In case if I screw up. Okay, so that means I need to go back, delete one of these, delete one of these. Okay, so that makes sense. So that's why there's 64 achievements total. I can't do math, I guess. I just realized it was 12 in the morning. Nice. I got pinged. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, my message was deleted. Okay. Anyways, I am getting an error and I'm completely ignoring it. What is this? Unlock feature. This guy. I forgot to change a number. This should be illegal. I wonder what % of the game dev time would be, oh my goodness, another error, great, would be for waiting for the play mode to, you know, to get into play mode. I believe it would be a lot. So what's wrong here? Oh, I think I know what it is. It's this one. The path lies hidden. Okay. I am going to quit game dev. Yep. That's what's gonna happen. Why are there tubes here? Where are the tubes coming from? Oh, I haven't done the I haven't done the I'm okay, you know what? Notifications. I'm getting rid of the stupid timer because it's too quick. It's 5 seconds. Maybe I should do 15 or so. Or get rid of this timer. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so these don't hide themselves. That's kind of not good. Locked flask. Where is it? Oh, current. What? What is this? To close all notifications, that's a good idea. I will write that down. Even though you probably won't get many notifications at once, so that might be a big maybe. Because I mean, you're theoretically you're not going to get all achievements at once unless you import a save. And if you import a save, then you're either just being lazy or something else. I don't know. So I might add that. I'm not really sure. I mean, it wouldn't do any harm for me to add, obviously, but what's doing me harm right now is trying to figure this stupid thing out. I don't know. I don't understand my own code anymore. I understand this part. This part's fine. But what is this? What is this? What does this have to do with anything? I don't think that's anything. I don't know. I'm just gonna get rid of this promotion thing because there's gonna be nothing related with promotion in here unless we like, well, this entire thing is gonna have like a big if statement. I don't know. I'm just thinking to myself. Okay. But why is this here? I'm just gonna get rid of this too. So we know that this is the flask related stuff. Oh, so this is the crafted. This is the researched, I think. I'm just gonna oh, okay, I see what this does now. Okay. You know what? Maybe I do sometimes get more work done on stream. At least I solve more problems, I think, because I talk. I rubber duck debug live on stream. Does this work? Okay, good, but it's using the wrong one. Okay, so that's all flasks. Okay, good. So that looks correct, except we still have tube icons here. Oh yeah, I know why. I know why. Duh. I still need to replace all of the not completed ones, which should be fine. You know what? I'm just gonna. Oh, no, don't do that. Sweet. All right, we're done. Holla freaking Luya. We're done with this stupid achievement system. I forced myself to do it tonight because I'm streaming and I don't want to look like an unproductive loser on chat. Sweet. That's awesome. Okay. Ugh, I'm getting tired. Oh, so the maximum golden boost is 5. Okay, you know what? Whatever. Whatever. Make an achievement object. Yes. I mean, there kind of is an achievement object. Like there is. It's just for this guy, you know. It's just the most basic freaking class ever. It doesn't do anything. But yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. I would somehow need to I could assign the sprite in here. Just gotta somehow do it by script because right now it's all my assets and you can't really pull assets unless it's in a resources folder and I don't want to mess with that. So if I can find a different way, I will do that. Or maybe just throw them in there and just deal with it. I don't know. It's whatever. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Okay, so achievements done. Let's hop on to-do list. Can research before tutorial. I can figure that out. That'll be next, maybe. This doesn't really matter too much. I don't know. I'm just pushing stuff aside. This is good. I will do this later on. It's not really too important. We're just testing Flask, so. Also, make sure backups are making backups of separate files that are not all combined. Because right now it's just exporting both saves combined in one and saving it as a backup. So the plan is that there's going to be 3 saves, well 4 if we're going to include the in-app purchase one. There's going to be general, flask, and tubes, and eventually cylinders. Each of those are going to have 10 backups, so there's going to be 30 total backup save files. So that might be too expensive. Maybe I'll change it to 5 because 10 is a lot. And if each one are going to be around 50 kilobytes, that's basically 30 times that, and that's quite a bit in a way. So we shall see. So the new this blah blah blah. Yep, okay. Dumbass. Yeah, true. One is enough too. Tube stuff. I'm not going to worry about tubes because that is later on. And I know for sure I have a lot of stuff to do with tubes. I have a lot of balancing to do. Offline for tubes don't even work. That's a big one. Sprite assets keep removing themselves. I think that's just a Mac OS problem. Notification saying food. Oh, I'm just gonna ignore that. Locked but has color. I believe I fixed that. Why would I look at tube stuff? I do need to redo the save bank, but I think I'm just gonna do that over time because I don't want to. It's kind of boring. It's just creating new text, like new stuff every new links for everything. When ice is gone, it does this. Oh, I thought I fixed that. Did I fix that? Pretty sure I did. Yeah. Add a tip section. I will do that later on, closer to release. Notifications for assembly. That is another big one I need to do. Maybe I should start working on that right now. Or maybe I should just go to bed soon so I can get up early and get stuff done. I don't know. I did not want to go to notifications. What am I thinking? Why am I going to notifications? I'm wanting to go to navigation. Yeah, I'm clearly getting really tired. Okay. Dot green. Can't spell green. What the heck? So, okay, I'm gonna make a can buy method for assembly, so that will be in the Flask assembly script. That'll be in here. Okay, so I can't type. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Goodbye. Okay. We just need to return. Okay, so if this is less than the cap, or if our energy is greater than or equal than the cost, then we simply return true. Otherwise, we return false at the end. Okay. And then for each, and then a single line expression. Yep. Yes, please. Oh my goodness. I should probably learn what this stuff means instead of just randomly converting stuff, because I honestly am not very good at link. So I'm gonna actually turn that back to for each, just so I know what's happening. But I definitely should learn link. Alright, same drill for sample. Oh, that actually probably screwed up. Okay, I see what's going on. This messed things up. There we go. Okay, that makes more sense. Except the .any. I've never used it before. I know what where and cap does. Any. What does this do? Determines whether a sequence contains any elements. Okay. So then I guess I do the same thing here. I don't want to. No, I'm just gonna create a new for loop. Should I be able to write these single expressions off the top of my head? Maybe. Maybe I should. Will I right now? No. I don't think so. Okay. Start this sample. That just involves this. Yep. Oh, also unlocking automation. Can buy sample. So if it's affordable and not processing. No. What the hell? What is this? That is... What? What kind of... There we go. Okay, so where T and I... Okay, so that's the field. So T is the sample processor object, and I is the int. So if our thing is affordable and if it's not processing, okay, so that I is just... Okay, I get it. Okay. Alright, let's put this to work. So assembly is button number 3. No, it's 2. Is it 2? 0, 1, 2. It's 2. So we have... This is some good code. Huh? What? Oh, I see why. Okay. Sweet. I'm not going to test it because I'm very lazy, but I'm just going to assume... Actually, I should test it. I have it unlocked. I was not gonna because I didn't want to import a save and all that, but I have one. Sorry, someone sent me funny. Okay. Okay, so this one isn't working. This one is. Now, is it true though? Okay. But what about automation? What if it's automating? Will that take into account that? It's not going to. I think. I don't want to do the processing though, because yeah, that's just gonna be automation. So we can get rid of the T field, or the T object, and make it just this. Okay, I kind of broke this. I don't really know what's going on here. Hello. How's it going? Oh. I don't want to make this for loop. I don't have a choice, I guess. Nice, nice. Honestly, me too. Oh, I don't want to do that. Uh-oh, okay. So if the energy is greater than that, then return true, otherwise return false, and can make this a simple IO. Nice, nice. Why can I not convert this into a link expression? I don't know. whatever. Good enough for me. Okay, so now we have these two working. Oh, okay, I see why that. Okay, all right. This notification or this thing here should work. Song slaps. Further beyond the Melic horizon. Gee, I did not pronounce that right. Old Sorcery is awesome. Oh my goodness, it's Waddles. I cannot believe it. It's fake news. Oh my goodness. How have you been? I haven't heard from you in a really long time. Are you still working on WaffleBot? Oh, there's 7 viewers right now. Okay, what's the spike? Interesting. Okay. Assembly samples. Let's test this. Oh, shoot. Auto unlocked. Yes. Okay, that fixes that problem. Freeze cap. I need to make a Bimax for this very badly. I'm probably gonna get some complaints about this one. Can I hold? Nope, I can't. Okay, that fixes that. That will fix that. How much supposedly will it take to finish idle research? If you're asking, I don't know if you're asking like how much sanity, how much time, how much effort, depends. Effort, a lot. There's a lot I need to do. Time wise, I hope to finish the base part of Flask and Tubes. So right now I'm working on Flask and having people test it. I want that done by I want this done by the I want the entire game to be done, the base game done by end of April, just so I can say, okay, I'm going to release the game a month from now. That will be end of May. Will that happen? I don't think so. But then it also gives me a month. But I don't know. That's my goal. Sanity. Oh goodness. I don't know. I have survived Flask so far, so that's going pretty good. Tubes, however, I think that's gonna be a completely different story because I've changed this entire save system and just basically you are able to play Flask and Tubes at the same time rather than going from Flask to Tubes and losing all of your Flask content, because people didn't really like that because it kind of felt like, okay, everything I did in Flask was just for a new content layer. It's kind of pointless. So doing that and changing the whole save system kind of just screws things up a bit because I have to make sure it's... So we're basically switching scenes. We have the Flask and the Tubes. If we were to switch from Flask to Tubes, then we need to make sure we're only showing the Tubes related content and all that kind of stuff and all the math. So it's just a lot. And then I gotta rebalance everything because it's been a really long time, and I'm kind of changing the base adventure system, like the attack mechanics. I would show, but I don't really have a save to do that right now. Sorry, I just saw another stupid picture. What do I have to work on now? So I've done notifications for assembly. That is good to go. I need to change these icons. That's right. That's right. Boy, oh boy, I sure love graphic design. This is kind of old stuff. CG, we have talked about you stating at your own webcam, huh? Oh yeah, it'll definitely be out by the end of the year. Oh yeah, for sure. I don't want to work on the base game and trying to prepare for release my sophomore year. I don't want to do that because what happens is that I'm not going to work on it because I'm too busy and I'm worried about doing other things. And I mean, freshman year is kind of a different story, but still, I definitely want to not push it out that far again because a year delay is kind of for an idle game. Come on. I don't like this. I do not like this. I just want some kind of graphics. Maybe I can just smack this. 7th grade? Oh boy, you got a long ways to go, my friend. You've got quite the journey ahead of you, to say the least. Not to scare you or anything, but college can get kind of and high school too. High school can get kind of stressful at times, but it's fun. It's a good experience. I don't like this background. This looks terrible. Also, this is wrong. That is wrong. The heck is 6th form? What is that? Please enlighten me. Currently playing Monster TD Involved in Crypt Clickers when working and Elder Ring when child sleeps. Elden Ring? I think that's what you have to say. Oh. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Ugh. That's weird. I don't like that. To see what high school you can get? What? Come on. That's a bit. That's a bit. I don't like that. That's standardized testing, but worse. I mean, we kind of have that for colleges, but high school? Really? You need standardized testing to get into a high school? I mean, we kind of do, but I don't know. Maybe we had something like that and I just didn't realize it. I don't think so though. Yes, listen to Carnifexian. Yup. I just missed the graphics were nice, but I feel like these are more understandable. Oh, yeah, that's pretty much the SAT here, and the ACT, and the PSAT. That's kind of goofy though. I honestly don't really remember what actually what. How do you get into high school? Like, do you have to I don't know. I just remember going to high school not thinking anything of it. I don't know if there was like a test or something like that. That's interesting. Auto buy crafting slots. This I'm gonna delete. This I need to change. So much fun. Last 2 years of your high school are separate for us. We do advanced education to prepare for uni or college. Huh, interesting. I don't know, for me, I was prepared for college, and I go to a pretty challenging college, I feel. At least in my state. Depending on the high school you want to get, that's goofy. That sounds very complicated. Okay, time to change these stupid icons. Where is the PSD for it, though? Freaking hiccups got me today. Oh, what? Why wouldn't this show up? Scratch discs are full. No. Oh, man. Why are I have 2 gigs left in my computer. Oh boy. Maybe I should clean up my computer a bit. I don't know. That's just kind of a thought. I still have like my walkthroughs, like of my Revit architecture stuff. Those are like 4 gigs each, so that's 12 gigs down the drain. Oh boy. And I'm sure a lot of this stuff is because of all the videos I've recorded, like from years ago. I should really get a hard drive or something and throw them all in there instead of keeping them on my main desktop, because I don't ever have storage, because all my videos are like a few hundred megabytes each. Okay, I also have a 3 gigabyte video that I can delete. Recycle bin. Let's see, what do I have? Oh boy. Idle research data. Why is that in there? Okay, so now let's see how much storage I have. 18 gigs. Okay, I don't really know what takes up so much storage other than maybe games, but whatever. I have a lot of storage on my... Oh, my other SSD has 100. What happened to Compacto? I am a lazy boy and an unmotivated boy, and I don't want to work on it anymore, for now at least. And I'm working on idle research because, yeah. So it's the same reason why I'm not working on crypto clickers anymore. I just don't have any motivation or ideas, and I don't really want to contribute bad ideas to it. And so I'm just working on idle research now. And yeah. Okay, anyways, now I can open up this file, hopefully, wherever it is. Have I played Idle Wizard? It rings a bell. I think I have. I think I played it on like Cartridge instead of Steam. Yeah, I've played Idle Wizard. I didn't really get too far into it. From what I played at the beginning, it was okay. I just didn't really get far enough to see where it got interesting, I guess. Because it seems like there's a lot of content. 2,000 hours, oh my lordy. Yeah, and they're still updating it. Interesting. Yeah, let's see, do I still have Cartridge? I do. I haven't loaded this guy in forever. It's so dead now. Also, itch. I haven't checked out itch in forever. Okay. What the heck? I do not. Okay, sure. Sure, buddy. So true. It's because it never got interesting. Oh my god, people just saying hi. Is this game even like... Is that any more? Oh my god. But please let me launch. Yeah, this is so dead. Can I see like analytics and stuff? Why is Big Ben going off as the music? I don't know. Anyways, let's check out this guy. Holy cow, 42,000 views for a Rule 1A incremental, oh my goodness. And 1,200 downloads, that's kind of insane. Let's see, what are these notifications? I got followed, okay. Yeah, like this game breaks after a certain part of it. Okay, yeah, interesting. I did not think it had this many. Let's go. Can I go to my dashboard? What the heck? What is this? That is suddenly a lot of views. Is there something on YouTube? Is there something on this YouTube? Oh, there's myself. I'm streaming. Rule 1A incremental. Oh my goodness, it's a thing. It's in the search. Oh boy. Incremental IPR. Wow. So I guess there's 2 videos on this. Huh. Broken Mouse Convention subreddit fan game. Interesting. Okay, but I'm really curious on these views. That's literally just a double. What's going on here? What is this? Yeah, what? Okay, yeah, strange. I had more Compacto downloads too during like this kind of time period, so I don't know, it's kind of weird. I wonder what the cause of that is. I don't really care though. Get out of here. Get out of here. What the heck? I want you gone. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, I'm just not being productive at this point. Okay, anyways, back to work. Okay, so now I gotta crafting platform 2. Wow, this guy sounds really cool. Did I tell you that I love Dungeon Sim? I really do. Yeah. Skip. Phantasm. This cover is so cool. Oh my goodness, I love that. I want this. I want a vinyl of this album or this EP. It's so freaking cool. That is just so detailed. It's insane. Like literally look at that. Like that's literally close up of that star. It's insane. It looks hand drawn too. I am such a music nerd. What the heck is this? Why can I not modify this? Whatever. This icon's fine. I honestly did not want to redo all this art. Change all. All right. See you later. Thanks for stopping by. What was the name of the Spotify playlist? It's called Awesome Dungeon Synth. I think I have a link to my Spotify profile. No, I don't. I should link my profile because I have tons of playlists. I have 78 public playlists. Spotify. There we go. Yeah, I got tons of playlists. That ranges from literally a lot of like best of certain artists, like my favorite artists, different game dev, like old playlists I don't use anymore, genre related stuff, and just other random stuff. Yeah, this is my awesome Dungeon Synth playlist. I am currently starting to build this one. I haven't listened to a Dungeon Synth album in a while though, so but it's good stuff. Okay, done. All right, so this will be our crafting presets. And our change all. Ah, what the hell was that? What? done. Done. Okay, sweet. Now that looks kind of mediocre. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay. Well, I'm done with that. Now I need to change the UI for this guy, because this is kind of bad. Let's make this a pop-up. And let's steal this panel. Oh, this one goes so hard. Oh, yeah, it's the same one, but this part goes hard. This part goes so hard. Okay. What am I doing? I'm just lost right now. What am I actually doing right now? I'm dragging the wrong stuff. Prestige panel. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. I hope I didn't delete anything on accident. Change all crafting slots. Get rid of this button. Cancelled. I think I need that there. God, I love this part. It's so good. Okay, looks good. Looks much better. Oh, goodness, I can't wait to see what this all just turns out to be at the end. These changes are very tedious, but at the same time, it's so nice. It's so worth it. It's so worth to kind of just redo everything. Prestige confirm, goodbye. Now I need to do the same thing, but for presets, which I don't know where those went. Presets, where do those go? Why are those here? Okay, I deleted it. Huh? Did I delete it? I must have. Okay, here's the presets. They just somehow disappeared off the face of the Unity engine, I guess. Okay, well now I gotta redo all that, so that's nice. That's real nice. I guess I might as well just copy and paste this. So I gotta reassign everything. I need to modify this crafting presets stuff though. It's kind of janky. It's very outdated in terms of looks. Yeah, this is not very great. I'm eventually gonna move this here so I can do stuff here, but that's whatever. All these are just so... I really hate the look of this. I think I'm just gonna have to deal with it for now. I don't really want to put too much effort into this until I add more things. Whatever. That's fine, I guess. Exit, toggle all, set all. I don't know. I'm just gonna throw these right here. Is that off-centered? Kind of is. This is bad. I should not be doing this. This is just pure laziness at this point. I just don't have space. That's all I need right now. Oh. Okay, well maybe this this will be better. Okay, why is everything so small? Ah, I see. This is terrible. I do not want to mess with the scale like this. That is just not smart of me. My gosh. Oh, this just looks terrible. I'm literally just... this is so bad. This is so painful for me to watch. Go here. Go here. Sure, go here, I guess. Whatever. This is just laziness. This is just me being really lazy. I should redo all of these, but I don't want to. Ugh. Okay, I have a prefab. That might help. Okay, whatever. I just need to somehow make this smaller. I can't control the size though. This is so small. I don't really know if I like this. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, that's much better. I can get rid of this now. That's still big though. That's still big. Well. Good. Okay, sweet. This is just not spaced out very well. Let's set that to 3. Oh boy. Okay, I don't know what this white box is, but it's really annoying. Oh, it's this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. These still are very big. Okay, now I can have all this stuff here because what I want to do eventually is add presets or conditions. So basically, if the current research is blue, it's going to set the presets to this, because at some point you will create a preset and it's not very happy because you can't craft enough, and it's just, you gotta change it, pause stuff, and it's just a hassle to change. So that's gonna be done in the future. That's not a thing I'm too worried about right this moment. Also, why can I not? Oh. Also, this cancel is wrong. Cancel. Set all. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I don't really see that useful. Okay, so there's a lot of space, a lot of room for improvement. Okay, that's not supposed to go there. Sweet. Looks good. Let's move on, because this part is very boring to me. But I need to reassign stuff first. I could, you know, generate these by script, but for some reason I decided not to do that. So I'm just gonna keep it that way, because I am what most people would call lazy. I don't even know what I just said. I'm just speaking random stuff. Okay, presets done. Let's test and make sure they are good. And then I think I'm gonna head out very soon because it is pretty late. I am getting errors, so that's great. So we have the set all. Ooh, the chills. Change all. Announcements? What the heck is an announcements channel? Oh, okay. Yes. Please work so I can be done with this. Oh my goodness, what? Oh, I kind of forgot about that one. Sweet, no errors. Okay. Okay, icons look good except this one. I'm gonna get rid of this whole thing though, so that's fine. Sweet. Sweet. I can't close out of it though, so that's not sweet. Does the auto work? That partially works. It's a bit broken, but So why does this close not work? Where is the close button? Cancel. Change all. Oh, it's the preset toggle. Silly me. Okay, now I need to actually make sure the presets work. Oh. I know something's not gonna work because I did not. Did I assign these? I did. Wait, I did. Okay, I just forgot. All right, let's set these all to red. You cannot see these. Something is wrong here. Okay, well, clearly they work. You just can't see them. Sweet. Nice. I also need to change these icons. And these are good. I will not change the icons tonight because I'm too brain dead. What did I have to do again? I kind of forgot. Oh yeah. Couldn't see the font. Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm going to bed soon. What? Oh, best fit. Okay, now it should be good. One more test and then I am out for the night. Because I have done a lot of stuff. I think this is fine. Okay, perfect. Sweet. Okay. Well, that's all done. Let me just double check. Oh yeah, I need to be able to make this flip sides. Make nav flip sides in settings. Add it to default settings. As shown. That's probably not gonna make sense when I wake up because this is just blap. Alrighty, yep, I am out of here. I have done a lot tonight and I'm very tired. And I need to do a bunch of schoolwork tomorrow and push this update to my first tier testers. Alright, anyways, if you are watching this as a stream, thank you for watching. And if you are still here, thank you also for sticking around. And I hope everyone has a great rest of their day or night. See you later.